Hello, YouTube community. This is VIP Nobody coming to you from the sunny back bush country of Jamaica. Yaman, your tech on a fixed income PC builder. I'm going to try and install Ubuntu Studio on the hpz230. And it's been a while since I've looked at Ubuntu Studio. The last version I saw was 20, and I thought that was going to be the last. I didn't think they were going to update it, but I'm happy to see that they have. This is version 24 LTS. Whoa, whoa. The SSD was in the fan. Anyway, I no longer mash the button and presto, here it is. Also, I've upgraded the stand on which the phone is now sitting on. It's on a boom. Oh, it's going straight into the startup. Much quicker. I tried installing it on the $20 sleeper PC, but it's so underpowered that it just took forever to try and do anything. I'm glad to see it's so responsive here. Still getting the kinks out on operating of this boom. Yeah, well, we've got some reaction. There we go. Much better. It sounds like the front speaker though, rather than rear speakers. Normally you can take volume to 150%. I don't know. I haven't used that. Oh, hey, we're at English. English? US? Yeah. Connect to Wi-Fi. It's not really working very well. Ryoko. Norm Nakamura's favorite device while he's traveling. Norm Nakamura of Tokyo Lens or Tokyo Lens Explorer or shamisen channels. He's also got an air channel where he's training to be a pilot, but he only made a couple videos. Install Ubuntu Studio or try the studio. Let's go ahead and install. What the heck? third party. For media formats, of course. Erase disk, yes. No, we don't want it on the NVMe. It's already got, yes. There we go, the SDA. Joe, for Joe Mama. And we don't want to require password at login. Confirm password, yeah. Oh, jeez. Telling on me. Gonna have to choose something else now, huh? My super sexy password. And it knows where I'm at, in Jamaica. Review your choices. Yep. I don't know how long this is going to take. Does it get the right time? 6:17, yes it does. Or 18, 17. It's going to take a while if it's going to try and talk to the internet. The internet is going awfully slow. I don't know what it is. Whether the internet down here decides to go on vacation on Sundays like all the people do, or holiday, I don't know what you want to call it. It's Sunday, right? Anyway. Let's take a click on that, see what it says. Now we finally have it ready, installed. Let's go ahead and do a restart now. Well, let's go ahead and give her a start. Battery died on the phone. See what she looks like. Still getting used to using this phone and boom setup and everything, so bear with me. It's a step up anyway. Oh yeah, I changed the desktop background. Where's the start sound? Ha! No longer is there a start sound, only on original startup. Gonna have to change that, I guess, huh? Anyway, let's take a look around on this. It has a standard menu, recent application, recent files, audio production. Oh my gosh, look at how many programs they put on here. It's got effects alone, audio utilities, instruments, MIDI utilities, mixers, card control, Zeta Mu1, what the heck is that? Meter bridge, and or Audacity, that's the one I use. DG Edit, NV24, Fluid Smith, my gosh. It's got like, well, you gotta scroll down on that too. Audio production. Oh my gosh. Talk about great. Graphic design, graphic utilities. Let's get Blender on here. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. GNU. That's like Photoshop. It's even got some newer options. You can do a lot more things than it used to. I just saw something about it. There's a lot of added stuff to the GNU program. Video production. It's got Blender again. Kdenlive, that's the one I use right there. I've used OBS Studio, better than 10 years ago though. Development. I don't care for Firefox. Mozilla went over to the dark side, so I usually get rid of the Firefox and I put on Brave browser. Media playback. VLC, that's the one I usually use. Office, the LibreOffice Office Suite. Science and Math. Additional drivers. That's one of the first things that you need to do. For you guys that don't know how to use Linux, you want to go for drivers. You can type it in the search. Drivers, right down here at the bottom of this menu is search. And type in drivers, additional drivers, or driver utility of some sort will pop up. And you run that, you've got your touch screen and everything. It looks for everything you need, finds what you need, asks you which ones you want to install, allows you to install whatever it is that you need, and away you go. It's a lot easier than Windows, by far. Utilities, studio information. Way to be able to contact these guys if you're using Studio and have questions and such. How about that? System. Startup disk creator. How about that? Something I want to do is see if I can't use the clone. I've tried Clonezilla I don't know how many times, and I can never get Clonezilla to work. I don't know why. I just would not. I've seen people use it on YouTube, but I just cannot get Clonezilla to work for me to save my life. So there's a new one out. It's called RescueZilla. It's got a GUI on the face of, I like easy. Easy's good. It's got GUI. I like it. Okay? I'm not a keyboard commando. I'm sorry. Love the keyboard commando. Hats off to the guys. They're fantastic. I love them. But I'm a GUI person. Hate me all you like. I like easy. Anyway. I don't see any games here. This is not a gaming. This is more of a work environment type of thing. They've also got some of the software pinned to the taskbar or panel. Kdenlive. I love Kdenlive. In case you guys have never seen it. It's what I'll be using to be able to edit this. It's got your timeline and everything. I don't like the dark. Everybody does the dark stuff. Settings, style, breeze. I thought the breeze was, let's try it again. Windows? No. They're all dark. There's a light one. That's the kind of editing GUI that I like. I'm used to like Final Cut or Sony Vegas. It's got the nice bright screen to be able to work with rather than the dark. But I guess you can change that too if you want. But anyway, this is Ubuntu Studio 24, so it's LTS, just like the Ubuntu, regular Ubuntu 24. And this is VIP Nobody, your tech on a fixed income PC builder, coming to you from the sunny outback bush country of Jamaica. Yeah, man.